Welcome back to the channel, bringing you the latest news from around the world. Are you fascinated by the mysteries lurking in our night sky? Look up at the winter night sky and find Orion, the great hunter. On his right shoulder glows Betelgeuse, a fiery orange-red star, one of the brightest in our sky. But Betelgeuse isn't just a steady point of light, it's a living, pulsing giant. Imagine it as a cosmic heart, beating in slow motion, sometimes shining intensely, sometimes fading as if taking a deep breath. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant, so immense that if placed at our solar system's center, its surface would reach past Mars, maybe even Jupiter. This colossal star burns through its fuel quickly, living a fast, furious life, and now nearing its end. Its gravity and internal pressure battle constantly, causing it to swell and shrink in a rhythmic, unpredictable dance. Betelgeuse is also shedding its outer layers, casting off vast clouds of gas and dust, creating a hazy nebula around it. This ejected material will one day become the building blocks for new stars and planets. We're witnessing stellar recycling in real time, a fundamental process in the universe's life cycle. Observing Betelgeuse gives us a front-row seat to cosmic drama. Its changes in brightness are clues to the powerful forces at play within its core and on its turbulent surface. Each pulse tells a story about the star's internal engine and the physics of stellar evolution. For astronomers, Betelgeuse is a rare opportunity to study a massive star in its final moments. Its behavior helps us understand the fate of other giants across the galaxy. In late 2019 and early 2020, Betelgeuse dimmed dramatically, losing more than half its brightness. The world wondered, was this the prelude to a supernova? But as astronomers focused their telescopes, they discovered the cause wasn't the star dying, it was a massive cloud of dust. Betelgeuse had ejected a plume of hot gas which cooled and condensed into dust, temporarily blocking its light from Earth. This event, called a surface mass ejection, showed Betelgeuse's surface is volatile and active. Think of it as a stellar burp, on a scale almost beyond comprehension. After months, the dust cleared and Betelgeuse returned to normal, but the event gave astronomers a wealth of new data. We learned how red supergiants lose mass and enrich the cosmos with heavy elements. The Great Dimming wasn't a sign of imminent explosion, but a crucial clue to the turbulent final years of a massive star. Betelgeuse's surface is a roiling cauldron, not a calm sphere. Betelgeuse will explode. Its fate as a red supergiant is sealed. It will end in a Type II supernova, one of the universe's most energetic events. The big question isn't if, but when. Astronomers estimate the explosion could happen any time in the next 100,000 years, tomorrow, or long after we're gone. The recent dimming and pulsations are normal for a star at this stage, not signs of an imminent end. Predicting the exact moment is impossible. We can't peer into the star's core to watch the final fusion processes. For now, we watch and learn, refining our models of stellar evolution. Betelgeuse isn't an immediate threat or a spectacle we should expect next week. It's a fascinating object, teaching us about the universe's life cycle. The star is following a dramatic, predictable path set by physics. We're privileged to witness it, but patience and curiosity are key. The real story is in the science, not the headlines. Betelgeuse's story may have a twist. Some scientists think it might have a hidden companion star. This smaller, faint partner would be hard to spot, but its gravity could stir up Betelgeuse's atmosphere. As it orbits, it might trigger mass ejections and create complex dust structures affecting Betelgeuse's brightness. Detecting such a companion is a huge challenge, like spotting a firefly next to a searchlight. Astronomers search for subtle clues, wobbles in Betelgeuse's position or patterns in its light. If proven, Betelgeuse would be part of a dynamic binary system, not an isolated giant. This theory could explain the star's irregular pulsations and bursts of mass loss. Whether confirmed or not, the search deepens our understanding of aging supergiants. What if Betelgeuse went supernova in our lifetime? The explosion would unleash a flood of energy and light, making Betelgeuse the brightest object in the sky after the sun and moon. For weeks, it would outshine the full moon, casting shadows at night and even being visible in daylight. It would be a global spectacle, inspiring awe and wonder. Most importantly, we'd be perfectly safe. Betelgeuse is too far away for its supernova to harm Earth. The dangerous radiation and particles would be harmless by the time they reached us. We'd get to enjoy the universe's greatest light show, risk-free. The supernova would remain visible for months, then fade, leaving behind a beautiful expanding nebula. This remnant, like the Crab Nebula, would be a stunning object for astronomers to study for centuries. The event would inspire a new generation of scientists and dreamers. It would be a shared, unforgettable moment for humanity. The excitement around Betelgeuse shows how science can capture our imagination. But beyond the headlines, the real story is in the patient, careful observation. Every flicker and pulse from Betelgeuse provides clues to the life and death of massive stars. By studying its mass loss, we learn how the elements that make up planets and people are forged and spread across space. Betelgeuse is a cosmic laboratory, teaching us about the universe's ongoing evolution. As technology improves, we'll uncover even more secrets, maybe even confirm a companion star. Each discovery raises new questions, fueling the journey of exploration. So next time you see Orion, find Betelgeuse and remember, you're watching a star in its final act. It's not a story of doom, but of discovery and wonder. The universe is full of mysteries, and Betelgeuse is one of its brightest.